So remember that level in Super Mario Brothers where you jump on the rocks and they slowly start to sink and move? This river is just like that. Oh God.
Ready, go!
Tiger! It's our own private waterfall lagoon. That is a big eel. What do you think that is, a meter?
Yeah. Apparently there's some in here that are quite a bit bigger than that actually. Apparently. There's the other one over there who just came out. He's clear black, kind of brown.
Yeah. I see him. So the idea is we're going to go swimming with these things.
Sure.
That sounds nice. This place is awesome.